Hi, I'm Joy Daniels with the Joy Daniels Real Estate Group. Thank you for joining me today. Do you have a home office? According to recent remote worker statistics, 56% of companies around the globe offer telework options to employees, and those numbers are projected to grow as the world adjusts to life post-pandemic. This means more people can work from home than ever before. If you're one of them, you may feel excited for the opportunity, but anxious about the reality of setting your home office space and making it a space where you can be efficient and productive. Your house is your comfort zone, where you let your hair down, relax, and settle in your loungewear. So how do you make it double as your office? Designate your workspace. Create a distinct home office and make sure you have the equipment that you had at your corporate workspace. This way you can close yourself in during the work hours to avoid interruptions and shut the door behind you when the day ends. If you don't have a separate room, consider using a room divider that screens your view and muffles your sound. Personalize your home office. The more comfortable your space, the more productive you will be. Maybe find a new space. Your studio apartment may have been perfect when you left home every day to go to work, but now you may feel cramped in your small space. Major life changes require modifications. So if your living quarters no longer suit you, it may be time to move on. If you're interested in purchasing a new home, make sure you research the housing market in Harrisburg and surrounding areas before making that big decision. We are ready to research for you and help you start your home search. Call 717-695-3177 or email info@joydaniels.com. We are looking forward to helping you find your new home.